Thank you so much, Ben. Okay, we've got a lot of ground to cover, and I want to make this as simple as possible because storm anxiety, I understand, is real, and I never want anyone to fret. So the more you know, the more you understand, the more you can plan ahead. So quickly, today is going to be very warm, and it's going to be humid. We've got 2 rounds of storms that will move in. The first round is going to start this afternoon. The second round will finish up as we make our way into 6 a.m. tomorrow. So when will there be rain on the radar? Well, it's going to start around 3 o'clock today, and we'll have on and off activity until around 6 a.m. tomorrow. The first round, that will be your afternoon showers and storms, really sets the tone as far as will the second round be severe or not. Let's say it's very isolated. That is letting us know, okay, we have an atmosphere that truly is still unstable. It hasn't been messed or tampered with. So once we get the second wave moving in, it would be strong to severe. So let's say that's how it's going to go. When would the strong to severe storms take place? That would be around 8 o'clock tonight, going into around 2 o'clock tomorrow morning. The good news is once the system moves in, it does decrease in strength quite rapidly. If the first wave is widespread, we got a lot of cloud cover, we got a lot of rain, that's going to make our atmosphere a little more stable, and then we're not going to have to worry about the severe alert. So here's what we're going to walk through together. Right now, 69 degrees. You step outside and it feels as if we are in a fishbowl down in the Gulf of Mexico. You make your way over to Murfreesboro, 69. It is very dense and thick. Our skies, though, are clear, but some of you may have a difficult time seeing it because we do have some patchy fog in place. We're looking to have quite a bit of sunshine as we go throughout the first half of the day. So that is really going to warm our already above average temperatures up in the snap of your fingers. Right now, everybody's coming in the 60s, low to mid 60s for everyone across Middle Tennessee and Southern Kentucky. By lunch, I look for us to be at 80 degrees. Perspective-wise, that's where we topped out yesterday. By the afternoon, we're going to have temperatures around 84 to 86 degrees. Looking to stay mostly dry for the first half of the day, but it's around 3 o'clock when I do look to see scattered showers and thunderstorms being picked up on the Power of 5 radars. The location it will be coming from will be our south and off to our west. So it's going to be moving slightly to the north, but mainly to the east-northeast as it pushes through. If we can get this more widespread, that is going to help stabilize our environment. Now, right on the heels of this is our cold front. It's coming in from our north and west. Kind of think about a crisscross, okay? That's how the second wave's going to move in. As it pushes down to our south and east, it will fizzle out. When it comes to our severe storm risk, remember that would be with the second wave, and that's if we're looking at a more isolated first start. The higher the risk will be to our north and west. My main concern with this, damaging wind gusts ahead of the system as well as within it, as well as some large hail. I can't rule out a tornado, but the setup of this just doesn't make it as likely. Today, warm, humid, 2 waves moving in. Because of the potential, we do have a Storm 5 weather alert. All you need to know is, hey, just have your apps on. Tomorrow, we are going to dry out and it's going to cool off. 70 degrees for our high. Lovely weekend, just 1 or 2 spotty showers. And then we're going to be seasonal as we make our way into next week. Ben and Amy, you'll notice as we head into the work week, highs will return back into the low 70s.
Okay.